Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a compatible phone, an active screen lock, and a UAE bank card. Once ready, enable NFC in settings so your device can communicate with terminals. Open Google Pay, choose Add Payment Method, then capture your card or enter details manually. Make sure to complete the bank verification step by SMS or the bank app. This creates the secure token used for payments. Start now to avoid delays. Getting these basics right prevents declines and keeps your transactions protected. Once your card is added, set Google Pay as the default contactless method in settings so taps go through automatically. Next, verify with your bank. Use the SMS code or the bank app to authorize the card. This step links the token to your account. Add secondary cards or loyalty passes for convenience, and review daily contactless limits to avoid interruptions. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on during setup, because verification and token updates require a network connection. To pay, wake your phone and hold it near the terminal's contactless symbol. You may need to unlock or authenticate depending on amount. The phone will use a tokenized number, not your real card, so the terminal receives a secure authorization. You'll get a vibration, sound, or on-screen receipt, then check your bank app for the transaction. If a payment fails, toggle NFC off/on, restart the app, and confirm your card's verification status with the bank. That single check resolves most declines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.